Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to another unboxing for like another week of Supreme in a row. Unfortunately, we are not on a Saturday, we're on a Sunday when this has arrived. I can't actually remember the last time I actually had anything delivered by DPD on a Sunday, so Supreme is clearly going to be kicking that off and starting that off. Now, the one thing that I'm slightly worried about is that if this comes in like a tee or like a t-shirt bag, like typically when you buy like a fall or winter or spring summer tee, they come in like the little plastic bags, and if it's come in one of those, that's going to be a bit of a problem because this is going to my friend again, because it's just been quite fun, to be honest, helping someone actually get something that they're looking for or after and won't be able to actually check out on. I'm actually enjoying it, I'll be honest. It's making it more enjoyable going for drops. Obviously when they don't want anything and I want something, then yeah, the sort of reversal comes into play, like a yin yang. But yeah, as per norm, let me know down below whether or not your item has arrived from this week yet, whether or not you've got shipping or tracking, or whether or not it's already been delivered. And yeah, we're just going to be jumping straight into this and hoping that it comes not within a bag. I can never tell nowadays whether or not this is straight or tilted. It's always like a fighting thing. From my perspective, it looks like it's tilted, but you know, it's just one of those things. So yeah, this unboxing is going to be a lot shorter than the American Psycho and all the prior ones, and yada yada yada. We'll just get straight into it. Because of the fact that I'm opening like the Moto jersey, I suppose I thought I'd put a jersey on. Do I need to sit back? Am I like, I don't know how I'm meant to like be, whether or not I'm too far away or too close, but yeah, I thought I'd put a jersey on. I don't actually have many. Is this my only one? It might be my only Supreme jersey in the end, but it's a fleur de lis. It's funny because in English we don't pronounce the S, but in French they actually do pronounce the S, which I find to be a funny little thing, because typically you won't find it often that they do like pronounce that. But it's the like fleur bit, it's like fleur. It's a really, you have to almost go like down and up, like waver with it. It's a very difficult and annoying thing to pronounce. I always typically mess it up. But yeah, this was my brother's. I managed to get it off him a while ago actually. The reason why he liked it in the first place, and the reason why I sort of got into the collection of them, I've moved the camera closer, make life easier. But yeah, the whole thing was because obviously it's a really nice jersey. There are 3 colorways I believe in the end, which is black, teal, and then the royal tone. At one point I did have the teal colorway. People may or may not remember, I had it dead stock with tags, which was cool. But then I just sold it on StockX because realistically I wasn't going to wear it. But yeah, my brother liked it because of the 13 aspect, which is obviously like massively on the back with the Supreme, because his birthday's on the 13th. So yeah, and I've always liked it. I've really liked the royal colorway a bit more, I will be honest, and the teal stands out a lot, but I think black's nice and simple, and yeah, that's about it. So let's get into this unboxing. I hope it's not in a bag. I really hope it's not. I really, really do. I really just hope it's out in the open, because it's going to make this unboxing so much worse. It might be in an open like bag. It is in an open bag. Lovely. Oh my god, we get a box logo sticker. Thank you, Supreme. All my dreams come true. So, the Bounty Hunter. Yes. So let's just go with bag first, just plain and simple so that you can see, and then we'll go to the back and then you can look at the logo, whatever, well, not logo, but you know what I mean. The bag's already open. I didn't open that. I haven't like cut this editing or anything, but we'll just take it out and take a look and then fold it back up in the exact same fashion in the end. I always just want to be like very, oh jeez, this is a difficult one to fold, isn't it? Really? Is it going to have to be like this side? Top down? Top down. Okay, okay, so if I just remove the paper, then we can get the actual jersey out. Moto jersey. The last time I saw a Moto jersey in hand was for the Fox Racing. I haven't had anything or seen anything like that since. Let's just open this out. Supreme sizing. I mentioned this before with the American Psycho. What is going on with your sizing? Honest to God, this is getting a little bit ridiculous. But anyway, there's the logo. As you can see, there's the little standard tag that always comes at the bottom of them that they have going on. Going down, obviously the sleeve on one side, we've got 94, which is little bit stuck together, nice one. On the other sleeve, it's also got 94, obviously. Go on to the back, where we've then got Supreme 94 in big spell out, almost like a clock, like an old digital clock. And then at the bottom, we have the Bounty Hunter logo as well. So, yeah, I mean, I think it's quite nice, I really do. It's a nice soft material. This isn't really the softest material, and it's obviously a bit thicker, but yeah, I think it stands out quite nicely. I've never noticed that before. When has that been a thing? You've probably seen that before me, that they actually tick the little like patch saying what size it is, small, medium, large, extra large, or double XL, and they put a little tick. I've never seen that before. Okay, well, let me know if you've seen that before, but that is going to cover this unboxing. So, as per norm, obviously let me know whether or not your item has arrived or not, what you're going to be doing with it. I know that a lot of people wanted the Varsity and they couldn't get it, and now it's like just gone basically into the heavens. Personally for me, I mean, if someone had said, or if they had said, you know, try for the Varsity, I definitely would have given it a shot and then gone for the jersey afterwards. But yeah, I mean, it's just luck at the end of the day, isn't it? And you just have to give it your best shot. So yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway. So as per norm, I hope that you have a good rest of your day. That's about it, pretty much. Other than that, I'll see you all next time. Peace.